here's the finished results of our smothered chicken thighs. I'm telling you, y'all, they are looking so good and tender. Look at that. Ooh, they looking so good and tender, y'all. These chicken thighs are the bomb. Tender with a lot of onion, and we've been eating them, y'all. Ooh, look at that gravy. Look at that gravy, y'all. Look at that gravy. That's what I'm talking about. Some chicken thighs with some gravy. This is Sandra. I told you how to do the recipe so you know how to get this wonderful dish for your family. Chicken thighs and gravy. Whoa, that just looks so good. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm going to share another recipe with you right now. This recipe is my smothered chicken thighs. A lot of people like smothered chicken thighs because they are so tender and so juicy and have a lot of flavor in them. So what I did, I fried my chicken thighs just like you fry regular chicken, which I know my subscribers know I fry chicken. Black pepper and salt, any season you want on it, you fry that. So when you get through frying it, you drain all the juice, all of the oil off your chicken, and you put a lot of onions. Look, a lot of onions in there, a lot of garlic in there. Add some mushrooms to it. Then what I'm going to do, add a little Alfredo sauce. I got at Kroger, just a little Alfredo sauce, just a little, not too much, just enough to get it started, just like that, I have to watch what I'm doing. And then you get some cream of chicken soup, and you pour it all over, just like that, just like this, y'all. And then what you do next, you put black pepper and salt, or parsley, whatever you want on top, and then you put a top on top of it. Now, my chicken's a mess because I've been cooking. So you put a top on top and put it in the oven for 1 hour. Add a little water to it if you need it. Add a little more cream and chicken soup to it. 1 hour, and then we're going to show you what it looks like.